In today's video, we will discover how SSL VPN secure remote connection. A remote employee works from home on a laptop. The laptop reaches out through the global internet. A digital lock encrypts the data flow. The company networks appear as a secure cloud. It allows remote users to securely connect using web browser or VPN client. All traffic is encrypted through HTTPS. The user opens the SSL VPN portal via the firewall's public IP or domain. The connection is encrypted using SSL or TLS protocols. The FortiGate firewall authenticates the user with credential, certificates, or multi-factor authentication. Data travels from the laptop through the internet to the FortiGate firewall. From the firewall, the traffic flows to the internal server. Tunnel mode creates a full network tunnel for all internal systems. Split tunnel view shows web mode on the left and tunnel mode on the right. A remote employee connects from home using FortiClient VPN. The connection passes through the internet to reach the FortiGate firewall. After authentication, the firewall grants encrypted access to internal resources. A file server shows shared folder icons accessed securely. A database icon indicates protected data retrieval. SSL VPN encrypts traffic and ensures only authorized users access company data. This protects sensitive information from interruption. Best practice includes strong passwords, multi-factor authentication, and regular updates. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Status tuned for the next video on Tech Cyber Shield. For the SSL VPN configuration of the FortiGate, please watch the attached video. So guys, thank you for watching video.